I've been fishing, still got my angling clothes on, got my dog, got my binoculars, and I'm in the valley. I've seen my first garden warbler of the year, and you can hear it there, first chiff chaff as well. So a couple of ticks for the valley bird list this year. Looking good. Beautiful day as well. I won't be keeping these clothes on too much longer. Just a brief walk though in the woodland where we live. Great, isn't it? If you like the great outdoors, that is. And as for me, well, I love it. This is one of my favourite spots here in the valley. I don't think even the video does it justice because it's quite a drop down there. There's the brook, it's Bob's Brook. You've got trees either side, and sometimes I like to just sit here with my binoculars and gaze on the passing nature. The chiff chaff's still going strong, so is Dilwyn. Killing two birds with one stone? Well, I think it's three today because I'm birding, walking the dog and getting plenty of exercise for myself as well. And let's not forget also that the great outdoors is not just about your physical health, but also, very, very importantly, your mental health as well. I always feel good when I'm over here, never mind anywhere else. This is my Hiraeth. That was a very enjoyable walk indeed. And on the way back home, right by the drive, so it counts as a garden tick as well, I saw what looked like two black-headed gull-sized birds. Well, they were black-headed gull-sized birds in the sky, and I got my binoculars on them because they didn't look like black-headed gulls. And as soon as I did, I saw that they were a pair of whimbrels. So a lifer for the valley and of course for the garden as well. You never know what's out there, do you? Especially at this time of the year as birds now start to move around. And the more we're out there, the more we've got our binoculars by our side, or in my case, around my neck, the more chance we've got of seeing lots of unusual and interesting birds.